The Dream Big workshop is an opportunity for you and your team to iterate and just throw out your new ideas, ideas maybe that you've read about, ideas that maybe you've heard about at culinary conferences, at industry conferences, that you'd like to really just try out and see how it applies to your campus. We all travel to culinary conferences, to industry conferences, to gain new insights, new ideas for our campuses. This is an opportunity to really vet those out, to meet with a team of experts that can really help you decipher and determine through data analytics, through a rigorous process that Dynamik has created to provide you outcomes and your team outcomes that you can take back to your campus and really move forward before a project budget is in place. The group workshops are being held in Seattle, Washington, and it is at our Atlas Workbase. It's a co-working space that is amongst high-tech campuses such as Google, Microsoft, Facebook, Amazon. So we really have an opportunity to see some examples of culinary and retail experiences in those projects, cutting edge and often award winning. We also have an opportunity to go visit chef-owned local restaurants that also provide a different level of customer experience than a campus food hall. So we like to really showcase and explore a lot of different experiences, and we like to kind of tour as part of our workshop a snapshot of some of these experiences as well. We have a website and contact form on that website. The website is dynamik.co, Dynamics with a K. You can learn more about the workshop there.